Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you some of the things that have come in or out of the shop. Please go to our YouTube channel or our website, mumfordrestoration.com, and let us know what we could restore for you. Today we're looking at a pretty cool little kidney-shaped table. I guess you would call it a two-tier table, and there's no drawer, but you guys might have seen the photos of before where it had water rings and a pretty devastated top. So we have repaired the inlay, repaired the veneer, and completely restored. And so now it looks very close to what it was original. You can see that there's some mahogany and ebony banding, and then there's mahogany, Honduran mahogany. So this is ribbon grain or satin wood, and then ebony, and then mahogany. So it turned out really well, and it is done in kind of a more open grain finish, not too formal, because that's what the customer wanted us to produce. Thanks for watching.